Today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 432 different strategies, with 135 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. It was actually achieved using a live trading account, trading the Academy Forex indicator, using the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned in this video. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 331 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,055 indicators, with 440 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. And so the source video says, discover powerful Tradingview indicator for adaptive trend analysis. And so not too much to the title there that we can kind of scrutinize. I guess you could kind of question whether or not this is considered powerful or not, but we'll put the strategy to the test and see if it is indeed profitable, which is what we really care about. Let's go ahead and just hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the adaptive Coleman trend filter, this one right here. Go ahead and add that to the screen and jump into the settings. And what you're going to do is under the styles, you're going to uncheck the boxes and tables. And then under inputs, you'll want to set the band sigma to 22, the trend strength to 7, and the trend range to 21. Then go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the trend speed analyzer, this one right here. Go ahead and add that one to the screen as well. And we'll jump into the settings of this one also. And what you're going to want to do is change the max length to 40 and the accelerator multiplier to 2.5. Then go ahead and click OK. Actually, just double check that these two middle ones here under the trend speed up are both set to a green coloration. And then jump into the styles real quick, and we're going to turn off the dynamic trend and the tables. Then go ahead and click OK. Everything should look as I have on screen now. So what we're looking for is we are looking for, first and foremost, the change of the adaptive Coleman trend filter line. So this line right here, the moving average, we'll just call it the adaptive moving average line. You can see how it goes from green here to red right here. And when that change takes place, we want price to be trading below the moving average, the adaptive moving average. We want it to have a red coloration of the candles, and then we want to look down to the trend speed analyzer, and we want it to have a red bar like it does here. Once all those line up, that'll be your signal to enter into a short. Put our trade right there. We'll put our stop just right above this pivot here, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, you can see make a push, a pullback, and then a nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. And for a long trade, what we're looking for is we're looking for, again, when the adaptive moving average line switches coloration. So it goes from red here to green here. It's kind of hard to see because of that gray background. I'm not sure if we can actually turn that gray background off. I think we can right here, maybe. Alright, so now you can see it switches from red to green right here. You can see that price is trading above that moving average and the bars are green. Then we're going to look down to the analyzer and we want it to have a green bar as well. And once all those line up, that'll be the signal to enter into a long, put a trade right there, put our stop just right below this pivot, and we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, putting it right about there. Let's play this one forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so again, we just kind of stall out here in consolidation, then we make this really nice break to the upside, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. And out of those 50 trades, we got 17 winning trades and 33 losing trades, putting that at a 34% win rate. The 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $10,200. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $13,200 for an overall loss of $3,000 altogether. So not a very powerful trading indicator. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 44 trades altogether. We had 36 winning trades and 8 losing trades, putting it at an 81% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $21,600. On the losing side, you would have lost $9,600 for an overall gain of $12,000 altogether. So definitely better results. And if you were to use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, would it increase the win rate quite significantly? The total gain would have been closer to the $21,000, so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So just the other day, we closed out winning trade number 57. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now. So that's 57 winning trades in a row, maintaining a 100% win rate. It's using the position management strategy and the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. And in back testing, the combination was so powerful, did over 200 winning trades in a row. We're over 3 months now with 100% profitability. As a matter of fact, we're so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you're not profitable within the first month, then we will give you your money back. You can join our Discord to look at the money back guarantee right here if that's something you are interested in. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.